Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin yung reaction video, ang Dawn Bell, how to spot a red flag. Actually, nakita ko to pero kasi nung ni-launch nila to, merong DB and then DE. What do you mean by DE? Isip ako ng isip, sino makakakolab ng Dawn Bell? Sabi ko, kasi DE, and then hindi naman ako nag-research talaga, pero alam ko, ang title is something like sa Netflix. Series ba to sa Netflix, How to Spot a Red Flag? So basically, yun talaga yung alam ko. So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this. Grabe yung Dawn Bell. Napaka-busy naman nila. Kakatapos lang ng Kantay Me Love. Meron agad silang project. I love that. And kasabayan pa nila talaga yung movie din ng Penset, yung My Future You. So yeah, I won't take any longer kung ano ba talaga ang, what do you call this, ang eksena dito or ano ang storyline ng How to Spot a Red Flag. And sino yung red flag? Sino kaya ang red flag for today's video? So yeah, without further ado, let's all watch this. Sana si Belle ang red flag, no? Something like, hindi naman yung red flag na playgirl si Belle. Something like paasa. Mga ganun. Ano kaya eksena, no? Kung paasa si Belle tapos si Donnie. Something like, very demure si Donnie. Something like that. Anyways.
Introvert siya. Good
Sino
boy.
yung introvert? Oh my God! Introvert, good boy. So basically, ang red flag dito is si Belle? Tama ba?
Very like me.
Ay.
Wala akong sinabi.
I-auto-scroll natin.
Sabi ko, gusto makita yung reaction. Okay na. Ano sabi?
Oh, no?
Hindi.
Bakit ang sweet nila?
I'm sure this will be an amazing story and
Oh my
I'm very
God.
excited to portray
Ako din.
my character to portray.
Gawa tayo ng reaction video. Kaya mag-subscribe na kayo sa isang channel ko, guys. KJ Avellino Reacts. Andoon yung mga ano ko, teleserye.
Ba ang mga red flag para sa inyo when it comes to other people?
Ay, sino ang red flag
Traits,
na?
di ba, ugali o mannerisms o
I should start.
Ba't hindi si Donnie?
Yung...
Paasa.
Nagsisinungaling.
Oh, yeah. Red flag.
ouch.
Hindi trustworthy.
True.
Alam
True
mo,
naman.
Deal breaker talaga yun.
True naman. True naman yun.
sasabihin ko dapat be honest, pero yun na rin
yun
yun.
Yun na din yun, Belle.
Yun na rin yun.
Oo. Meron ba kayong nakita ng red flag sa isa't isa?
Sa akin, alam ko red flags ko.
Ano?
Or pwede mo sabihin yung kay Donnie or si Donnie, yung red flag
Ayan.
sa'yo.
Hindi, sa'yo wala akong masyadong...
Kasi kayong
Palas kami ng reaction. Ano?
Sa atin,
Ano?
Kung meron
ito
man.
may red flag.
Tinginan. Ba't pa, kung nag-uusap sila, parang walang taong ibang kasama sila talaga. Like, literal, parang sila dalawa lang.
Like, I feel like sometimes, I get so indecisive.
Sa view!
Diba?
Ako
Decide
po
to
Netflix!
decide on something. So, feeling ko, at some point, nagiging red flag na siya. But I'm working on it.
Yeah.
At least you're self-aware. Yun
Yeah.
naman ang pinaka-importante sa lahat ng bagay, di ba? Yung alam natin yung mga weaknesses
Sa
natin.
view pala
and
to.
we're willing to improve.
Ako
Okay.
naman minsan, nag-ano ako eh.
Ano?
I'm spontaneous minsan to a fault.
Gets.
Oh.
Masyado akong last minute mag-ano.
Oo.
Diba kasi lahat ng tao ganun eh. Diba?
Oo
Yung
nga eh.
kaladkari.
Yeah.
So,
Gets.
I think that's one of them. Parang, minsan din,
Pero mo, dikit talaga sila, oh.
ano yan when you, wait,
Alam mo walang bukas.
second,
Procrastinator.
yeah, minsan, I procrastinate also.
Sakit
So,
ko rin.
Sometimes you're always in a rush.
I like the rush. Wow!
Ay, I like the rush. I love that. Parang ang landi ni Donnie doon. I like the rush. Parang ang landi ni Donnie doon.
Kapag ang daming ginagawa, dire-diretso yun, di ba?
Correct.
Correct. Okay, what's next? Wait, help the way Donnie looks at Belle is. Patingin! Yun ang sabi ko. Grabe! Ay, grabe! Grabe! Smile. Gigil. May gigil ang smile niya. May gigil. May gigil si Donnie. Grabe naman tumingin si Donnie. Uy. Ay, ano to? The sweet thing I saw today, their look of love. Nakagano na talaga ako sa kanila. to know who I am. Tapos na.
And everyone has the goal of bringing something Filipino worldwide.
So, I'm very excited pakita Filipino talent worldwide. Hindi.
We really feel strongly about that because we have
Mahaba ba tong on-cue interview nila? Parang gusto kong gawa na
not just
reaction video.
us, pero everyone in the team,
Wait.
every Filipinos in general, you know, we have so much to offer.
Tingnan ko nga.
We would love to showcase for not just Filipinos to see, but you know, also
21
those
minutes.
abroad. And they said they're really putting all the efforts they can so that we can come up with something that is told storytelling wise differently and with a really different flavor. Hindi yung
Ay.
I'm someone who comes.
medyo
Bakit
short lang
nag-play?
to.
Sorry.
Short and sweet.
Short and
Not really short, but
Short and sweet.
shorter than Can't Buy Me Love.
Shorter than the Can't Buy Me Love.
Wish granted para sa
Ay, mamaya na natin yung panoorin, yung balita. Kasi makaka-copyright tayo niyan.
Daw eh.
Dumbbell News will be on beach. Oh. Wait. Oh my God, I have to watch the on-cue.
Lock in na daw eh. Doon nga sa beach.
Kailangan ko mapanood ang on-cue. Saan to? I forget this! Buy Me Love ba yun? Ay, oo. Dapat Buy Me Love nga yun. Ay, very mag-asawa ang vibe. Okay. Kailangan ko panoorin yung on-cue nila. Kanta ni Belle. Ay! Oh my God, si Miss Jean, si Miss Garlic. Ay, maganda to. Maganda to, dear. Oh my God, papanoorin ko to. Gawa ko to ng reaction video. Mabait ang view. Doon tayo sa isang channel. Kasi yung What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, tinapos ko talaga eh. Okay, what's next?
From Bingo naman, itong
From
character
Bingo.
to, I think Bingo kasi is classified as an extrovert, no?
Oo.
Super like outgoing
Mm-mm.
people.
So ito introvert siya.
Introvert. Hindi
Gwapo.
introvert siya. Good boy.
Ano?
Ano pa?
Very like you.
Very like me.
Yeah, you said
Very like you?
Wala akong sila.
Tinaman si Belle! Tinaman si Belle!
Sabi ako yan.
Sabi ko gusto makita-react. Ako na.
Belle, wait! I love that. Tinaman si Belle, ah.
Ano pa?
Very like you.
Tinaman yung smile nila.
Very like me.
Yeah, you said earlier.
Wala akong sila.
Oh my God! Palagi! I love this! Babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Okay. Palagi pipiliting maghintay. Ay, ulit-ulitin man kung malaman. Okay. Ako. Sino ba yung tingin ni Belle? Grabe yung tingin ni Belle. Ang cute! Anyways, papanoorin pa naman natin yung yung on cue. So, puputulin man natin for today's video. Okay, this is KJ Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye!